from Garret's Guitar Lessons here, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about looping a simple chord progression and some ways to kind of make your loop sound bigger without having to add a bunch of effects and stuff on top of it. Now our chord progression is going to be G, D, E minor, C. So my first loop is going to be those 4 chords with a simple rhythm. Down, down, up, down, up, D, down, up, down, up, E minor, up, down, up, C, down, up, down, up. Now I want to have a simple first loop, so that way I'm not really thinking too much about it, because my main goal is to make sure that everything stays in time. So one way that we could do that is when it cycles back around to that G chord again, make sure you strum that 1 on that G chord and hit that button at the exact same time. So you kind of want to have this foot and this hand kind of move as one. Okay, now my second loop is going to be kind of changing my pickup selector, and now I'm going to be kind of strumming close to the bridge and play those same 4 chords as bar chords. So G, D, E minor, C, and that's going to be G with my 6th string bar chord, D with my 5th string bar chord, E minor with my 5th string bar chord, and C, you can either do it as a 6th string bar chord or as a 5th string bar chord. Again, we're going to want to change the pickups there and strum close to that bridge. It's going to help separate my first loop and my second loop. The third loop I'm going to do is going to be a bass line. So this one, I'm going to go to my neck pickup, and the rhythm for that is going to be 1 and 3. So I'm going to hit the bass note of G, and I'm just going to hit just one note. 1 and 3, D and 3, E minor and 3, C and 3. My fourth loop, I'm going to be using some triads in order to kind of arpeggiate a little bit. So my arpeggiation sort of pattern is going to be 3rd 1 2 3 1 2 3 1. All right, so that's going to be my picking pattern. And then I'm just going to put these triads on top of it. And these triads are just going to be kind of higher ways of playing the chord. So we have G, that's kind of like a D shape. My 3rd finger's on the G note, which is the 8th fret on the 2nd string. I'm going to go 3rd 1 2 3 1 2 3 1. I'm going to go to D, which I'm going to be playing almost like the bottom 3 strings of a 5th string bar chord. Same arpeggiation pattern. And then I'm going to be going to my E minor, which is going to be right here, almost like the bottom 3 strings of my minor bar chord. And then be going to my C, which is going to be like the bottom 3 strings of my 6th string bar chord. For 2 of those, I know I missed that 3rd string, but it's going to be 3rd 1 2 3 1 2 3 1. Now, if any of those bar chords or those triads are too tough for you right now, you can go ahead and just strum open chords close to the bridge for that second loop, or for the arpeggiation, you can actually capo on the 7th fret and just do the same arpeggiation pattern that I had, 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1, but you'll play a C chord based on that capo being there, G chord, A minor chord, and F chord. All right, so just some easier ways, because you don't have to be an advanced player to be a good looper. So let's get going on loop 1, which is going to be my open chords with a simple rhythm. Now, if keeping this in time is tricky for you, make sure you practice your arm going 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. You want your arm and foot to both accent that 1. Also, there's no shame in just kind of making sure that you run through it a couple of times to make sure you're in time, and then kind of getting that together on that 1 when you get there. So here we go. G, D, E minor, C, G. Now notice how I did strum that G right along with it. That's to ensure that I'm keeping in time. Loop 2, going to be moving to the bridge pickup, using my bar chords, and strumming close to that bridge right there. Okay, so here we go. G, D, E minor, C. All right, notice how changing the pickups and also changing where I strummed is going to be kind of lifting each loop to sound unique. I'm going to go to the bass line, so I'll switch to the neck pickup, and here we go. Awesome, now I'm going to go to the arpeggiation, and what this one I'm going to be doing is moving to my middle pickup. a couple of tricks just to kind of get you starting to loop. Looping can be a great way to kind of work on your timing, work on how parts might sound together. I want to give you a couple ideas of how you can start building your own loops. So be sure to check out GarrettsGuitarLessons.com for a PDF of everything I just talked about. And be sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave me some comments on what you think.